Hi kids, in the previous classes we were discussing about some natural calamities like earthquakes, volcanic eruptions and their precautionary measures, etc. In this video we will discuss about tsunamis, cyclones, hurricanes or typhoons. So students, what do you mean by tsunami? Or are you familiar with this word tsunami? Yes. Tsunami is nothing but simply a Japanese word which means harbor waves. A tsunami is a series or sequence of waves which occur after an undersea earthquake or volcanic eruptions. These are gigantic waves or waves of very great size or huge waves that hits the coastline. The tsunami can travel in a very great speed and covering a long distance with very great power and can cause damage to a life and property. The after effect or the effect of tsunami is very devastating or very destructive. This is an event which usually occurs in deep ocean. Let's discuss about some precautionary measures that is to be taken care before this event. Early warning systems should be installed at suitable places on the underlying surface of the sea or seafloor, which means it includes information communication systems like certain sensors and even detectors that helps communities or organizations to prepare for the event and reduce the impact of the event. And mangrove forest should be developed along the coastal regions, which means this mangrove forest, which means that they are a certain group of trees and shrubs, should be developed on the coastal regions so that they can absorb most of the impact. Proper public address system should be developed, which means these are set of electrical equipments like microphone, loudspeakers or amplifiers in which someone's voice should be heard throughout a building or area. So these public address systems should be developed to alert the people or to inform the people living in these coastal regions or coastal areas. Next is cyclones, hurricanes or typhoons. When we say about cyclones, hurricanes or typhoons, they are strong, powerful winds traveling at a very great speed, usually in circular motion or in a spinning motion, are called cyclones, hurricanes or typhoons. As these winds are very strong and powerful, they can cause damage to our life and property. Students, what is the difference between these three, cyclones, hurricanes or typhoons? The only difference between these three is the location where this storm occurs. Say for example that in North Atlantic or Northeast Pacific Ocean, they are called as hurricane. And this same disturbance, when it comes to Northwest Pacific Ocean, they are called typhoons. And the same thing when it comes to South Pacific and Indian Ocean, cyclone is the correct term used. Let's discuss about some precautionary measures. Strong houses should be constructed to face these cyclones. People living in danger zones must be taken to safer places in time. If a cyclone is expected in a particular area, proper announcement should be made by the police and the coast guards. Accurate or correct weather forecasting should be made using satellites. It helps to predict the atmospheric condition of a given place or a given location at a specific time. Then proper warning systems should be installed in case of an emergency.